Hi, scrappy friends. It's Kim back from Making Creative Memories in Time. I'm back today to do the bow maker side of the envelope and bow maker punch from Creative Memories. And just like when we talked about in the last tool video that there's all the information you need on this side for the envelope, it's the same way here for the bow maker. All the information you need. So today I am going to create a large bow. My paper width is going to be 1 1/4. My paper length, A, the length is going to be 9 inches. B, the tails is going to be 4.5 inches. And then the little fold center part of the bow is going to be 1/4 of an inch. And I am again pulling the Kraft chevrons paper from the Kraft bundle. And so we want 1 1/4 inches. And since we're talking about tools, let's talk for just a moment about this amazing paper trimmer. If you do not have the Creative Memories paper trimmer, you definitely need the paper trimmer. And then we're going to go to 9 inches. And that is going to be our length part, okay? And then we need a 1 1/4 again. And this time it's going to be 4.5. And we need a 1/4 inch. And I think it'll be easier for me to cut a 1/4 with the longer piece here. So the 1/4 inch is at the end of this gray strip. There's where your 1/4 is. And that's going to work just perfectly. Okay, so let's put away the trimmer and bring in the bow maker. So the very first thing that we're going to do is, and I can't decide which is going to be which. I think that my bow is going to be just the Kraft side. So we're going to fold our bow in half. And then I'm not going to put a harsh crease, but I'm just going to crease it enough that I can see it's creased. And then we are going to line it up with this little center notch, just like we did on our envelope maker. And we're going to notch, and then we're going to flip it over. And it's harder to see on that side because of the pattern that I have. There we go. And then we are going to, this time, we're going to fold back and put our tails back together. And we're only lining up at that half notch. We're not going all the way in. We're just lining up at the half notch. Punch. Flip it over. Punch. Okay. And now what we're going to do is we're going to glue this together. And you could actually use liquid glue if you want to, but for demonstration purposes, I am just going to use my repositionable adhesive. So there's our bow part. You want to make sure that you're lined up. This side lined up pretty, this side did not. So let me just line that up a little bit better. There we go. Now we're lined up pretty. And so for this one, this is going to actually be the tails. But what we're going to do is we are going to crease on this side because I can see this better than I can on the pattern side. And we're going to line up with that notch. and then flip it over. Again, that's a little harder to see on that pattern side. And then we are going to try to center this in that notch. And then this is going to be my tail section. And again, I would use liquid glue, but just for demonstration purposes for you, because I don't want liquid glue to have to sit here, right, and dry. And then on this piece, you could stamp on this Kraft. You could use shimmer paper. You could use glitter paper. All the things. Isn't that pretty? I love it. I love it. So, tell me now, do you think you need the envelope and bow maker in your life? Yes, the holidays are coming. Look how cute for gift cards, and you can even make envelopes gift card size. And this bow again was the large size. Isn't it cute? Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks, friends. Happy scrapping.